pregnancy edition. I'm almost 14 weeks. I'll be 14 weeks tomorrow. And I wanted to show you guys what I eat. I don't eat much more than I normally would. Just because I don't feel like I need to. I basically eat when I feel hungry. But I did want to show you the prenatals I'm taking. These are the ones I'm taking. They're by Nature Made. Prenatal multivitamin and DHA. I got these at Costco. They're good enough for about 3 months, and they only costed maybe like $15, which is like way cheaper than like other prenatals. So yeah, let me show you guys what I'm having for breakfast. So for my coffee, I'm drinking just decaf coffee. I was told by my doctor that I can drink caffeine if I wanted to, but you know what? I don't know. I kind of don't feel like it. I hope you guys can see me there. I kind of just don't feel like it for some reason since I've been pregnant. I haven't been drinking that much coffee or haven't been wanting to drink that much coffee. It must be like something in my body that just tells me not to, because when I was pregnant with Michael, the same thing happened. I just did not want to drink caffeine, and now instead of having my normal 12 ounces of coffee, I only have 8 ounces and I finish it. 12 ounces I just cannot finish anymore. So I just drink 8 ounces of decaf and I feel totally fine. The first couple of days, maybe like the first week, I was exhausted, but obviously that was a combination of being in my first trimester and just giving up caffeine. I was so tired, but now it's totally fine, and I feel okay if I want to go to Starbucks later and have a drink or something. It's totally okay. I'm coming, baby. It's totally okay because I haven't had any caffeine, and I think this is kind of like I do think the whole caffeine thing is kind of like a controversial subject, because some people say it's totally fine, other people say it's not, and yeah, I think it's fine, but I just don't want to, so I just don't. So my coffee is ready now, and for the creamer, this is what I use. This is the sugar-free hazelnut coffee mate creamer. I do about a little bit over a tablespoon. I don't do too much because I don't need that much sweetness, and since I'm only doing 8 ounces of coffee, I don't need that much creamer. So this is my breakfast. It's pretty light, but I'm not that hungry in the mornings, to be honest. So I have my coffee, I have a banana, and then I just heated up this piece of toast because it was the last one. It was the butt bread, and it was the last one, and I hate just leaving just one piece of thing in a container, so I just toasted it up and put a little bit of I can't believe it's not butter on there. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, this is the latest picture of our little baby. This was about a week ago, and he or she is definitely growing. Look at them. Look at him or her. So cute. If you guys don't know, we're not finding out if we're having a boy or a girl until the baby is born. So we call it he, she, baby G number 2, baby. So yeah, we have no name just yet. Hey guys, so it's about 10:30 and I'm gonna have a quick little snack. Oh my god, this is really hard to open. I think I'm just gonna have a couple of these pitted prunes. I got these at my local farmer's market. So I'm gonna have a couple of those. I'm not sure if that counts as a snack or not, but that's what I'm eating. I'm not too hungry. Plus it's almost, like I said, it's 10:30. We usually have lunch around 11:45. So it's almost lunchtime anyways, and I'm so excited for lunchtime today. I might actually have some applesauce too. This applesauce looks really good. So I have some applesauce and a couple of prunes. So I told you guys I was eating the applesauce and I didn't. I just ate the prunes, but I'm hungry. So I'm gonna have a Lara bar. This is the apple pie one. It's okay. My favorite is something greens. What's wrong? We're gonna share this bar. I mean, you're gonna eat half of it anyways. Calm down. My favorite is, I think it's called spinach and greens or the greens or something like that. That one's really good. It literally tastes like a fruit roll-up or something. It's super good. But I need to go because this little boy wants my snack. So it's almost 12 o'clock and we're still in PJs today. It's one of those days. Help, help. Alright, so it's lunchtime. Like I said, it's almost 12 o'clock and I am hungry. So I'm gonna start making some lunch. Sir, what are you doing? He's like climbing me like a monkey. So my husband Michael grilled some chicken the other day, and so I'm gonna cut up some chicken and make some chicken tacos. I'm so excited. And I have some guacamole and some salsa right here. Oh, the salsa is so good. I got it at Food for Less, and it's salsa de molcajete. It's so good. It's kind of spicy, but it's really, really good. Calm down. Are gonna be so good. I'm so excited for my tacos. For some reason, after lunch, maybe like 45 minutes to an hour after lunch, I am starving. Like if I did not even have lunch at all, I'm so hungry. So today I'm just gonna have one of these Premier proteins in the chocolate flavor, and this has 30 grams of protein, so I'm hoping that this will keep me full until like at least like a snack time. So we'll see. But yeah, I get so hungry, and it's totally, I think that's totally a pregnancy thing, just being hungry after you eat. Even though you feel like you ate a lot, you just feel hungry all the time. Yeah, and I wanted to let you guys know, I haven't shown you guys, but I drink a ton of water too. This is my tumbler right here, and this tumbler holds about 20 ounces of water, and I usually have about 4 of those a day, so it's about 80 ounces. And this one is water and then a Crystal Light. It's the lemon, the ice, it's a decaf iced lemon tea. It's a I can't remember, but yeah, it's this one right here. This one, I got it at Target. It tastes super good, and it gives me that extra, like obviously water, but an extra flavor that's not so boring as water. For some reason, water has been super boring to me, and I just do not want to drink plain water. It has to have something else in it, and that totally like hits the spot. Hey guys, so it's time to start making dinner. Today we are having some black bean and cheese tostadas. So let me show you guys what I'm making. So I made these beans back in July. I froze them and I just defrosted them today, and I'm gonna smash them up to make it kind of like refried beans. I'll be adding some salt, some oregano, pepper, and some garlic powder to that. And then I don't have actual tostadas. I've actually been making my own, and I actually really enjoy it. So I'm just gonna get regular corn tortillas, put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of kosher salt, and then put them in the oven for a couple of minutes. It doesn't take very long at all. I made this rice a couple of days ago, so I might add this rice to Michael's tostadas, but then it's gonna be the beans and then some cheese, and then I have guacamole, salsa, and some pico as well. So let's get started. My bean and cheese tostada. I topped it with some pico, some guacamole, and the green salsa that I had for lunch. Oh, I'm so excited. And then I'm gonna have some chips, tortilla chips with some guacamole as well. So excited for this. Hey guys, so it's 8 o'clock and I am having my last snack for the day. I'm gonna have some Mexican sweetbread. So good. I love this. And then I'm gonna have an apple, and I don't drink anything else after 7:30 because then I have to pee like all night. So I'm done drinking for the day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little different. I ate more than I normally eat in what I eat in a day because obviously I'm pregnant. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.